These spinach cannelloni are the perfect balance of a rich, creamy filling and a savory, satisfying flavor. With this delicious spinach recipe, I'll show you step by step how to prepare a truly special dish for your next dinner with your friends or family. Add some high quality olive oil to a pan. We're using around 600 grams or 1.3 pounds of spinach. At first it seems like a lot, but as it cooks, the spinach will reduce significantly, losing a lot of water. Lightly salt the spinach. This will help the excess water evaporate faster, making it more flavorful, tastier and easier to digest. Add 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces of water. Sauté the spinach over medium heat for about 3-4 minutes. Once it's reduced like this, the spinach is ready. Let it drain briefly in a colander, then place it directly on a cutting board to process right away. Chop it up a bit. Spinach is a true superfood, packed with vitamins and essential nutrients that are great for your health. Fresh ricotta is a key element of our filling. For this cannelloni recipe we use our homemade ricotta. You can find the detailed link below in the description. Crack an egg and add it. This will keep the filling nice and firm. Today we're using 24-month aged Parmigiano Reggiano. Add 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of cheese, which offers a richer, more complex flavor compared to the 12-month aged Parmigiano and has a firmer texture. Grate some fresh nutmeg. This will give the filling an aromatic, spicy and unique flavor, enhancing its taste and making it even more irresistible. Add the freshly grated nutmeg to the filling. Season everything with some freshly ground pepper and don't forget to add a generous pinch of salt for extra flavor. Mix everything well until the filling is smooth and homogeneous. This ensures the flavor is evenly distributed, so every bite of your cannelloni will be perfectly creamy, delicious and packed with rich, savory flavor. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of the ricotta and spinach filling onto each sheet of pasta and roll it up carefully. The exact historical origin of spinach and ricotta cannelloni is not entirely clear, but the combination of pasta, ricotta and spinach is deeply rooted in Italian culinary tradition. Over many generations, this classic dish has become a much loved, cherished and timeless recipe, enjoyed by families across the country. Add 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of butter to the pan and let it melt slowly over medium heat. Stir continuously to prevent it from burning. Add 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of flour and cook it over medium heat, stirring constantly for 1-2 minutes until you get a smooth and even mixture. Now we need 1 liter or 2.1 pints of whole milk. Bechamel sauce is also perfect for lasagna. Slowly add the milk while stirring continuously so no lumps form and the sauce becomes beautifully creamy. Even for the bechamel sauce, we need some freshly grated nutmeg. It will make it extra special. Add a bit of delicious freshly ground pepper for a final flavor boost. And of course, don't forget a pinch of salt. Stir everything well until the sauce becomes thick and reaches its perfect creamy consistency. It should be nice and smooth. Looks good, right? Spread a little bit of bechamel sauce in the baking dish, so the cannelloni won't stick them to the bottom and will cook evenly all over. Now place the rolled cannelloni with spinach in the baking dish, making sure they are arranged evenly without overlapping so they cook perfectly. Pour the remaining bechamel sauce over the cannelloni, making sure they're completely covered. This will make the dish extra creamy and give an ideal consistency. Sprinkle some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. While baking, it will melt and form a golden crust, adding even more flavor. Bake the cannelloni at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Did you enjoy the video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps us get recommended by YouTube. Check out this video on how to make classic cannelloni as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.